What's up guys, Uncle Joe here from Blackjack Harley-Davidson. Gonna give you a little sneak peek of the new suspension on the new RG3s. Check this out. We got a little GoPro going on. We're gonna take it down the road and show everybody how this thing works and how it functions. So yeah, the all new 2026 Road Glide 3 with the upgraded suspension. It is not an independent suspension. You can call it like semi-independent. But yeah, you see how the back end performs and moves. A lot different. A lot different than before. You can barely feel the bone. Driven a trike before, everybody knows that they handle kind of like a go-kart. These things really do make a difference. On the Road Glide 3. This is the same suspension that's available on the Street Glide 3s and the CVO Street Glide 3s as well.